I am Naila Bhatti and you are watching Saiban News HD, adding news from Sialkot. Ambassador of Tajikistan's address and meeting with industrialists of Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry President Malik Abdul Ghafoor warmly welcomed the Ambassador of Tajikistan's Sharifzada on his arrival in Sialkot. Sialkot Ambassador of Tajikistan's address to the industrialist at Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry Sialkot city is known to the whole world. Your manufactured products are loved by the world. I have come to invite Sialkot manufacturers to set up industries in Uzbekistan. Electricity is very expensive with us, only 2 cents per unit is 6 rupees. They are ready to provide all the facilities to us, will provide tax-free environment. We also have skilled labor who will provide you and labor with immediate visa facility. We will build roads for you and our culture is the same. The colors are the same and we are brothers. 12 years in Korea, 8 years in Dubai, but what about Pakistan? Chamber President and industrialists thank the Ambassador of Tajikistan for his invitation to set up industry. Sialkot President Chamber Abdul Ghafoor Malik gifted the Ambassador a shield and football. For more updates and news, like and subscribe our channel Saiban News HD.